So you're Aquarius,
Yes.
like my daddy.
Capricorn ka.
Yes, very close to my dad.
Bali, yung Sharon na word kasi naging verb na siya, and then ngayon nag-apply na rin siya for in life. Anong masasabi mo?
Excited. Kasi dati lagi akong tinatag sa IG pag merong mga gatherings, tapos yung picture ko to may ex, yung walang Sharon. Hanggang ito, parang naging part na lang sa tingin ko pop culture. So, natutuwa ako kasi parang maski paano the younger generation, tatanong sila, sige nga, bakit yan? Bakit? What's politics? So parang nakakatulong sila sa pag-reintroduce ng ng meaning. Tapos it's cute. I laugh a lot when there's something like that they drag me in. So I find it so sweet. Funny.
And sa in-life kasi mag-Sharon para sa
Mag-Sharon. Yeah, sabi ko nga kanina after singing, sabi ko, you know, we Sharon in gatherings, but I hope we'll remember na pag-Sharon for the future is more important. I've been doing that since I was 12 for saving for my retirement. Yeah, so the earlier you start, the better.
There's time, I guess, or have your ingredients towards other people. How would you like to be remembered then?
Oh my gosh. I like that my work, my movies, or my songs touch their lives. But more, I'd like to be remembered more for being a good person. That's my thing.
Ready na po ba tayo na pag-reach na tayo dun sa senior?
Next year. Sabi ko, hindi kami nadali para meron na akong discount. Because I'm happy, you know, when you hit 50, you realize na you can do things and not have to make excuses for them anymore. You've lived for half a century and parang you have the license na to just, you know, parang dati parang malingat lagi, dati parang ano, not that sa akin sobrang higap na kasi mostly naman parang I'm stuck to my values and stuff. Parang almost what you see is what you get. Pero, syempre iba pa rin pag showbiz, you have to protect a certain part of your privacy, your person. But after 50, there's more freedom in a sense, and you'll only understand that when you do get to 50. And after 50, I'm pushing 60, I feel freer, and because I'm comfortable in my own skin, because I'm happily married, because I have great kids, and God has been so generous and just gracious and faithful. You know, parang I think I've been blessed too much, and I'm also been trying to stop feeling guilty about that. Parang I have to somehow think maybe I deserve it.
And for my last question po, more than, aside from being a multifaceted person po, an artist, voracious reader din po kayo. Ano po yung mapapayo nyo? Kasi sa generation natin, hindi na ganun ka dalas magbasa ang mga Pilipino.
I know there's YouTube. You can learn so much on YouTube. I do. But books are still a different friend. Sabi nga nila, when you want to read a good book, go back to reading something you've already read before. Kasi sometimes, di ba, pag patapos ng isang napakagaling na book, and you feel, pag natapos ko, ano susunod ko? I get that feeling. I'm sure a lot of you do. So, you know, parang, I think reading is important. For example, if you want to be a writer, I don't think you can write well unless you read a lot. Because things just get stuck in your memory bank, and you fall, you know, you come up with your own prose. But then, when you also read a lot, you learn a lot from all these other great writers. There's such magic in the written word that you can't find anywhere else, I think. And now, you can take yourself off to another land, another time period, and ever since, you know. But these kids should realize books take you there. Books do that for you. And because books are more, I think the practice of reading books is infinitely more interactive than just watching something.
Ano na pag-retired?
Yes. Oh yeah, oo. At saka you can go back to certain paragraphs over and over and over, and the chances are they'll hit you differently. So, yeah. So I have one of my biggest expenses over the decades is just books, and I don't get deny them because I'll read them with my kids, and I cover each of them myself. They're like babies, because especially now they're expensive. But also, and my books are not all, I like architectural books, I like interior design, I like, whatever in the home, there's decorating, there's organizing, there's cooking, it's anything, you know. Well, of course, I learned a lot from biographies, but it's all these books that you, oh my God, there's a whole universe out there that you will learn just from reading. It starts in childhood, in grade school, and if you just are able to nurture that and just understand how valuable it is, it's a gift to be able to read, and it's a gift to be able to understand it in more than one way. So I can read the books with my kids, or I can donate them to life with these to my kids that. So there's no wastage.
Expenses.
Yes, yeah, it's an investment. Don't worry about it. And there are books na I have already bought books before na from the 1800s and the 1900s. I even had a couple of books restored in a museum. Kasi ano yung it's you, my love. JC, ano na yun, ano ba kiko rin, nag-disintegrate na. So, hi! So, I sent it to a museum and they restored it for usually mga cookbooks na luma kasi I really love cooking. And I like the science and the art of cooking. I try to understand it. And when I get interested in something, I have to look at the whole, everything else around it, its periphery, even the history. But then, how did they do this in whole Europe? How did they, ganun ako. So, I don't know, I just find it. Even my cookbooks, I read like their novels. Kasi there's a story. Dami. Well, I've always liked Stephen King because he's such a great storyteller, and I'm an actor, so I like good storytelling. I like Danielle Steele. I was really addicted to her when I was a teenager. Ma-escapist, diba? Escapist na. But I read a lot of business books. Lately, they've been books on Airbnb. Yeah, so probably getting to that. But investing. But it's books. It's books to do so much. And if you read from the right authors, there's a whole treasure.
Sharon, you came out with a blog recently about retirement.
Yes.
Can you share about your insights? Of course, a little bit more so that our reader friends can.
What I've always known about retirement, from the time from my parents were alive and I was still a little girl, I would also feel parang when you're old na and you retire, your money should be working for you. You shouldn't be working anymore because you have to. If you're still working, you have to make sure that you're working because you want to. It's something that's out of your passion, your interest, but not anymore to make a living. But it's just going to be something to do when you're older. While you're young, the younger you are, the more years you have for your investments to really grow, the more, diba? Even in the, what do you call it, the power of compounding, that's really the secret. The younger you are, no matter how small you invest, the power of compounding will make you finish with a higher return than, let's say, the next millionaire. But you have to start as early as possible. And to those naman who who didn't get to start early, it's never too late. That's why in life, I think it's the first insurance company that really came out with a real blueprint for that. So it's an offering that isn't available from other people, the way it has been comprehensively detailed by Inline. And that's why before I endorse something, I have to be so sure, diba? And like I said in the commercial, gusto mo yung hindi ka na lang uuutang, hindi ka na mas nag-invest ka, at mas malaking kinikita kasi sa traditional na accounts na alam natin. Ito, it's really your money. It really preparing for your future. So, I was so happy to do the commercial because I said the first time this is really in this way. And it's, I'm happy that there's a tool like this now. It wasn't really available before. Because we're so hardworking. Pero ang Pilipino, di ba, parang we want to take care of everybody. Minsan, ikaw na siya short-change. No, you have to learn how to also pay yourself first para, as time goes on, you have more to get from, to be able to help more. And also to take care of yourself when you're older. Because what I realized about being so generous is when you are the one in need, you cannot really depend.
Since we're in the topic, kasi magkaiba po yung plan for retirement at the age of 40 and teenagers. Ano po yung thoughts niyo?
Kasi I know people like to retire young. I hope when they say that, I think it's, sa akin, it's okay, di ba? I mean, live your life the way you would. But nangihinayin ako sa money earning capabilities ng isang mas bata. So parang your best earning years are while you are young. And at my age, you should really just be doing things because you enjoy them. And you should have already been able to save enough to build on. Not necessarily to, like I said kanina, if you're gonna retire, you wanna be able, this also applies to younger people who get into early retirement. I think even if you retire younger, of course it's different kasi ganda rin na you have all this energy pa, bata ka pa, and then you're able to do all these activities na hindi na magagawa ng mga na-retired 60, 70, diba? Pero be smart about it. That's all. Parang don't stop doing, and you know, if you can, whatever you're passionate about, why not find something there that you can turn into a business or a money-making enterprise? And if you like surfing, for example, why not invest in a surfing school or just a little resort or Airbnb that you can enjoy your life, you can be doing what you want, and at the same time, you know, still be earning to cover the expenses of your hobbies and your passions. I think that's just smart. Basta your basics are taken care of, then think about, you know, it's not just you what about your loved ones, diba? You want to also make them live there every now and then. You want to give your parents a great future, a great life when they retire, or your brothers and sisters. Not everyone's in the same boat. So, habang may energy ka, habang bata ka, keep working. But if you choose the early retirement option, that's fine too, as long as you keep moving. And don't stop there. Kasi I don't like na your money that you have saved, hindi mo alam how much farther it could go, and then pag matanda ka na, you'll regret na parang I will outlive my money, patay. Parang if your money runs out before you pass away, what will you do? So just make sure there's something, then if you wanna leave something to the people you love, then at least merong